Okay, runner's injury prevention workouts to be completed after the run. I'm starting my timer for 15 minutes. Okay, I just finished working out, or running I should say. I'm about to do some strength training to prevent injury, loosening up the hips a little bit, doing some squats. Equipment that will be needed is a kettlebell or some significant weight, a resistance band, a step stool, chair, or I have an Ottoman here, and then obviously some space. I am barefoot, I'm not wearing any shoes, and right now I'm just loosening up a little bit more before I get started. The first exercise is going to be a goblet squat with the weight of choice. Like I said, I have my kettlebell here. You want something that's relatively heavy. You don't want something that's too light. Okay? We're going to do 5 sets of 10 of these. We're about to get started here now. Okay. 1, 2. First thing that moves in a squat is your hips. They go back. You keep your chest up, especially with the kettlebell. 8, 9, and 10. Forgive me if my count is off, as I'm trying to talk at the same time. But we're doing 5 sets of 10 here. Again, we're trying to make this quick, so keeping rest time to a minimum. Butt goes back first, hips drop. As I'm going down, I'm thinking about keeping my chest up, pushing my knees out. Feet are flat. I'm not pushing through just my toes. I'm not pushing through just my heels. 8, 9, and 10. 20 down. If I show you from this angle, as I squat down, my knees are pushing out. They're not falling in. And same token, if I look at my feet, I'm pushing through my big toe and my heel, keeping a nice strong arch. They're not collapsed. Okay? So we've done 2 rounds of 10. We're going for the third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 30 down. It's a good opportunity to check in and see how you feel. Make sure knees, ankles, hips feel okay as you're doing this. 4th set here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. 4th set down. If we want the workouts to be quick, we got to keep the rest time to a minimum, but we do give ourselves a couple seconds here. Okay. Final set of the squats. 1, 2, 3. Pushing those knees out, pressure through the big toe and the heel. Chest up, butt back, back flat. 9 and 10. Okay. So don't put that kettlebell too far away. We're still going to use it. I got my stool, Ottoman, whatever. Do some single leg RDLs with the touch to that point. So single leg standing, I got the kettlebell going down, touching, coming back up. Rounds of 8 here. 2, 3. This is where being barefoot comes in handy. Using your feet to stabilize yourself instead of wearing shoes that can change the surface you're standing on. I got 8 here. Okay. Other side. Kettlebell is in the opposite hand to the one that's on the ground. 2, 3, keeping that big toe pressure. 4, 5, 6. Great glute exercise here. 7, since we're standing on one leg. Can't remember if that's 7 or 8. I gotta do an extra one. 8. Okay. Switching sides. We're past the 5-minute mark. Whoa. Lost my balance there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big toe pressure. Gentle bend in the knee. Ooh, I lost my balance. I think that was 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, other side. We bring this knee up, the non-working leg, so that we can lift up the hip, that left hip, when we're in that single leg stance position. And that actually forces the standing leg to work a little harder. So as you're doing these reps, try to pull that left knee up as high as you can and feel what that does to your right glute as you raise up the leg. My count is 6, 7, 8. Okay, last set of these. Almost 8 minutes left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big toe pressure. 7, gentle bend in the knee. Strong leg. Single leg standing exercises are great for runners because running is essentially a series of single leg jumps. So if you can show that you have good stability in an exercise like this, you'll have even better stability for when you're running. Okay, my count is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Ottoman's going away. Moving to the calves. We're going to do a bent knee variation. I got 7 minutes left. We're past halfway. Okay, so let's do a double leg version here. So I'm going to bend both my knees. Okay, keeping my knees bent as I'm doing this. I'll show you from this angle. You're going to raise yourself up. Okay, raising yourself up, pushing through your big toes. I'm going to use this wall here for some support. Bending the knees and up, up, up. Okay. 4, 5, 3 sets of 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what? I changed my mind. We're going to do 4 sets here. We're going to switch our hands each time because you'll notice whichever side has your weight, you're going to feel that side working a little bit harder. My count is 6, 7, 8. Keep the knees bent. 9, 10. 2 sets down. 2 to go. Bend the knees. Up. 1, 2, 3. Push through the big toe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 rounds done. Last set of the calves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 40. Okay, great. Okay, kettlebell goes away. Resistance band cometh. You're gonna wrap the band around your ankles. You'll have something nice and sturdy to hold on to. Standing on one leg, you're gonna keep that knee slightly bent. Okay, toes are gonna be pointed forwards the whole time, and you're kicking the leg out to the side. Don't let this toe flare out like this, the kicking leg. Don't let the kicking leg flare out as you're doing these, okay? 3 rounds of 10 on each side. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Think about that standing leg, knee pointing forwards, nice strong stance leg. 10, okay, other side. 1, 2. These burn me pretty good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember to keep your toes pointed forwards, both toes. I'm losing count here. I think that was 10. You want to lead with your heel if that helps, to help you keep that toe pointed forwards. Last set here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, these get me good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, okay, get rid of the band. Okay, we're going down to the mat for some abs. I got less than 3 minutes left. We'll do one good ab workout, one good ab exercise, and then we'll stretch a little bit, okay? So we are gonna go from side plank to side plank. We're gonna start here on our elbows. We're gonna do 20. So we're gonna go up onto our right side, switch over to our left. That's 1. 2. Making that transition on my elbows. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. It's okay to feel this in your shoulders. 9. It's part of the point of doing the planks. I like them because they activate the upper body. I think that was 9. Here comes 10. 10. 11. So we already ran today, or did whatever kind of workout, cardio workout, I should say. And then we squeeze this in 15 minutes. So we should already be warmed up going into this one. But we did a little bit to loosen up. We worked the quads with the squats. We worked the posterior chain with the single leg RDLs. My count is 17 on that one. We worked the calves with the bent knee calf raises. We worked the gluteus medius with the hip abduction exercise, 19. And we're working the stomach here. Okay, I got less than a minute left on my watch. Let's do a beautiful downward dog. Got about 40 seconds here. We're done with the workout. We're just stretching here to finish. Thanks for joining me. Pedal out the calves. Alternate pushing the heel down. Okay, 15 seconds left. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for doing something for your body to help you get stronger, prevent injury, be a stronger runner, and an overall well-rounded human. 15 minutes done, workout completed. Thank you.